Hello, this is Isaac's Moto. Make sure to lick, subscribe, and hit the bell. Also, lick, subscribe, and hit the bell for Moto Max. Today we're doing scooter tricks, except one of us has a dirt bike. We should get into it, all right?
1 second, let me fix you. There you go.
He's fixing my...
Okay, now it's good. Hey, that goes up a little bit.
This is starring my cousin Isla. No. Yes, it is.
I don't think she wants to do it.
All right, then it's not doing that. Sorry.
It ran over my foot.
Sorry. Then we're doing Jack.
It will.
My cousin Jack too. All right, so let's start.
Wait, what are we doing? Wait.
Scooter tricks, Max.
Oh,
Did
yeah.
you not read the script?
You never sent me one.
I said.
Okay, just go.
Discord.
Okay, I don't want to hear it. Oh yeah, go get a helmet. Okay, Isaac, you got your helmet on? He's got the goggles. All right. Start talking. Come on.
Subscribe to Moto Max and Isaac's Moto.
I thought you were...
dudes! This is Isaac's Moto, episode 3.
I thought you guys already said to subscribe.
All right.
Okay, anyway, just go. I don't
Let's
okay.
get into it.
I don't think that's a scooter.
Also, thank you Moto Max and
Moto Max.
thank you Moto Max for sponsoring this video.
I'm not sponsored. Oh my god. Just go subscribe, okay? He doesn't know what he's talking about. He just wants to say sponsor but I'm not sponsoring him, so I mean, whatever. Whoa, look at that wheelie. Look at that wheelie. Here, come back over here. No.
Oh, by the way, this is an electric dirt bike.
We know.
All right.
Oh, what is that? You hear that?
Jack, are you coming?
Not funny.
Moto Jack.
Okay, just go. A lot.
Go, Moto.
Oh, this video is so bad. This is gonna be so bad. Here's your truck. What is that? What? Oh, I think I recorded you on accident. Oh well. I'll blur you. Hello. What is he doing? Isaac, do some tricks. I mean, you're just kind of riding around. Yo. Oh, do some more of that. Do some more of that. Yo! That was sick.
All right. Focus on scooter.
Whoa!
Jack, you're the rock star from last vid. Pick the scooter up and start rocking out. Start rocking out. Pick the scooter up.
Isaac, you didn't watch that one. Oh my gosh, this kid is so good. Come on, pick your bike up.
I'm so smart.
Watch out, my friend.
Why are you doing that? Oh, bro, you're dead.
Wheelie! Ooh, front brakes aren't working. We gotta fix those front brakes.
This guy, he keeps showing you his chest.
Hey.
Moto Max face reveal.
Ooh. Pretty sure you did that last video without my permission.
Hey, it's the rock star from last vid. These vids will be uploaded on the same day, but we recorded it.
They will?
F2.
I don't know. No, they won't. That takes too much work. I don't want to do all that.
Episode 2.
want to do all that. That takes too much work. I'll do it some other day.
What?
Just go.
I'll pay you double.
Oh, okay. So 4 cents instead of 2 cents now?
I'll pay you 2 cents instead of
Oh,
1 cent.
oh, okay. I see how. Hey.
I'll pay you 2 cents, not 1 cent. I wonder who wrote that. Maybe it was in F2.
It wasn't me. Oh, actually, I cut that out of it.
I need to take it back.
Yeah, I know. You're fine, though. You're
It
fine.
was Matt.
Hey, chill. It was an accident.
He picked it up and threw it in F2.
It was an accident. Are these even speed tricks? Okay, there we go. That's a bike though. That's an electric dirt bike though.
Get some more scooter tricks, Jack.
Come on, scooter
Moto
trick.
Jack.
Yo.
I mean, this guy is doing the thing wrong. It's like this.
Okay, this is gonna be at the end of this video because this kid's brother here, right here, he ran into me with his little Ford
Truck.
Raptor thingy,
Ford Raptor
little
truck.
electric power wheel thingy. You know what I'm talking about? Anyways, hey, chill. So
You chill.
jeez, okay.
Make sure
Yeah,
to
he
lick.
ran into me. Oh yeah, okay.
Make
you
sure to
stop.
lick, subscribe, and hit the bell. And if we get if we get another subscriber by the end of the week, I'll do a face reveal without my glasses.
What? Just do it now.
No, I need another subscriber.
Okay. Are we gonna do anything else?
Also, Moto Max face reveal.
Oh yeah. Oh, wait, what?
That was in there last time.
Oh yeah.
F3
Okay.
Scooter Tricks is over.
All right. See you
We'll
later,
see you
guys.
for F4 soon.
All right. Bye.
Bye.